Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is time for the bi-weekly free game dev asset roundup. To be honest, there's not a ton this week, but every other week we look at what is new. This corresponds with the Epic Games Fab Marketplace giveaway. Before we get into it, heads up, there are a couple of new Humble Bundles that just launched. A couple of Godot specific. First one is Learn Intermediate Godot by Zenva. This is interesting because of intermediate. There's some stuff here you just can't get anywhere else training-wise, so links will be down below. Things like creating a fighting game. And then we got some intermediate concepts down here, multiplayer, and so on. So a very interesting course if you want something other than for absolute beginners. On top of that, we also have the launch of the GameDev TV Game Jam bundle. This one is an eclectic mix, I've got to admit. It's a bit of a mashup of courses and assets. Check that one out. Again, bit of a mess in terms of the contents there. But again, GameDev TV stuff is generally pretty good. So this one is a little rando. If you want more follow-up, do let me know. And then finally, we also have this one, the Godot Game Development Book Bundle. Yes, this is a collection of ebooks from Zenva on a number of different Godot concepts. A lot of the times their courses come with books. It looks like they published those books standalone. So that's another option there. Using links down below does help support me. So anyways, we're going to move on to the first freebie this week. And this one I'm going to require you to squint just a little bit because the creator behind this reached out to me and said he's going to be available for free. But as of right now, as you can see from the website, it is not currently. So he's got this, I believe it's his 7th anniversary is coming up. And to celebrate, he's making it free for a couple of days. So check back later on this week. We are talking specifically about DragonRuby Game Toolkit. This is a really cool project. It is a performance-oriented, cross-platform, code-focused, Ruby-based game engine. And normally, there is a $48 one-time purchase on this one. You will be able to get that for free if you catch it within the right times. Later on this week, do check back. It should be available for free. So this one isn't technically free yet, but it will be. DragonRuby is a really cool project. I've covered it a couple times in the past on the channel. And if you ever wanted to pick it up for free, well, this week is your opportunity. Again, do stay tuned. It's going to be later on this week that goes live. He's also going to do a blog post about 7 years, how they got there, that kind of stuff. So do go ahead and check that out. But you can grab DragonRuby completely free later on this week. Another one we've got is not here. And this one's interesting. So this is just news for the fact that it doesn't exist. The Unity Asset Store normally does a weekly giveaway. This week, nothing. So just something to be aware of. Now, thankfully, this is a temporary thing. As you can see, they are returning on May the 7th after their spring sale. Now, next up, we have Kenney. Kenney just released an updated version of the Conveyor kit. He is going to be rebranding this as the Factory kit. An idea, it is low polygon, factory conveyor belt kind of setup stuff. So a bunch of new stuff was added in this particular release. More details were added, new models, etc. So if you want to go ahead and check that one out, that's available at Kenney.nl. Usable in basically any 3D capable game engine out there. And then we're getting into this week's giveaway. So basically every week, Epic Games gives away a number of assets on Fab Marketplace. This week we've got 3. These are yours to keep forever. Just come on in here. The price should be set to $0. Go ahead and air quotes buy them. Once you've done that, they are yours to keep forever. Quick hands-on with each one. Is this the first one? Now, the disappointing thing this week is everything you see so far, it's going to be an Unreal Engine only week. So there's nothing here for Unity or Godot or Blender or anything else. Everything here is Unreal only. And here you can see this is the bridges over Madison County setup. So if you need a number of different bridge components, you can use these together to create a variety of different bridges. Now, the nice thing with Unreal Engine is it's got a number of ways to get assets out. As you can see up here, I am using the Unreal to Godot plugin in this particular case, and ta-da, the same assets in the Godot game engine. So if you're going to want to hoard these, even if you are not using Unreal Engine right now, pick them up. You may be using them in another engine. As you can see, super simple to work with. Get them into other places, and they're easy to work with, like you can see there. So like I said, even if you are not using Unreal Engine, be sure to grab these, hoard these, buy them like your life depends on it, because if you've been acquiring these since these giveaways started, you will have thousands of assets at this point in time. So that one's super simple. It's a collection of bridges. The next one we have is the Deep Water Station. This is an underwater, I guess I won't say space station, but an underwater sea station? So you get an idea of everything here. So it's basically some indoor spaces and some outdoor spaces. So if you want to create Leviathan or Deep Star 6 or so on, that is what this asset is all about. So what you need to create interior and exterior sea station environments if you want. That is what you're getting in this particular asset. And then the final one is a effects pack. So let's go ahead and check out the demo level for this. This gives you the ability to do VHS and videotape type stuff. So let's go ahead. Here's the body cam. So you want body cam effect. This is actually a really cool asset, to be honest. So there you can see more of a security cam filter, sharpening filter, and then chromatic, embossing, fisheye, noise colored, and then a couple of others. So there's like a TV, noise, and then VHS. So kind of recreate the scratchy video effects from before. Here's fisheye VHS. So if you're trying to do a found footage style game or a security screen or something, this effects pack could be a solid pickup for you. So once again, you do have 2 weeks to pick these up. Right now, it's April 21st. This is going to be good until May the 5th. So you got until that time to air quotes buy these. Again, just go ahead, add them to your cart, check out. Once you've done that, yours to keep forever. It doesn't matter which license you pick. It is ultimately going to be Epic Games picking up the tab. So hey, go with Pro. So again, we got the modern bridges. We have the deep water station, sea station, which sounds very wrong. But again, if you want to create that kind of underwater station environment, that's everything you've got here, both, again, internal and external. And then finally, you've got the body cam, backroom, VHS effects, a number of different video effects. So if you want to create that, again, this backroom video thing is the greatest thing since sliced bread right now. So if you're trying to create that style of game, or again, a security cam monitor or something a little bit retro in its appearance, could be a good pickup there. Again, the disappointing thing here is Unreal, Unreal, and Unreal. So if you want to get them out to something like another game engine, you are going to need to use one of the guides down below. Got a number of guides that'll walk you through the process of getting these out. So ladies and gentlemen, that is this week's freebies. Again, quick reminder, there are those bundles going on. They all launched on the same day. So we got a Godot course bundle. We have this weird GameDev TV Game Jam bundle. And then we have a Godot GameDev book bundle, also from Zenva, all launched on the same day. All the links are down below if you want to go ahead and check any of those out. And again, DragonRuby should be available later this week completely for free. So do keep an eye for that one. It's not quite there yet. I don't really know how to handle that with these videos, like a coming soon freebie. So hopefully keep an eye on that one. You can pick this game engine up completely for free. The Asset Store Unity stuff is on hiatus during their sale, but it'll be back probably for maybe not the next video, the video after that. We should have it again. An update from Kenny, and then, of course, our 3 free assets from Fab. Let me know what you think of this week's giveaway in the video down below, and I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.